Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dina Citra from Group 2 and my friends Padli Buana, Dinda Nur Aisyah, and Ajizatul Aspia. So, I want to explain what's about vowels. Vowels are speech sounds produced when air flows freely through the mouth, without significant obstruction compared to Indonesian. English has a more complex vowel system with a large number of vowel sounds. English vowels are commonly divided into short vowels and long vowels, where the length of meaning of a word, such as E in seat and E in seat. In addition, English has diphthongs, which are combination of two vowel sounds, which within a single syllables. For example, I in time and O in no. English vowels are also classified based on tongue position, front, control, and back vowels, tongue height, mid, and low, and lip shape, rounded and unrounded. Because of this variation, one vowel letter in English can represent several different sounds depending on pronunciation.
Hello, in this section I will explain about monophthong. A monophthong is a single pure vowel sound that stays the same from the beginning to the end of its pronunciation. When we produce a monophthong, the position of our mouth, throat, and lips does not change much. The sound is stable and does not glide to another vowel. This is different from a diphthong, which is a combination of two vowel sounds that glide together, like the sound in my or boy. In English, there are many common monophthong sounds that we use every day. For example, we have the sound E in words like see, eat, and sit. Then 3 is E in sit, heat, and meal. We also have A in man and bed, and I in kite and bait. Another important sound is A in car and father, and A in sun and cup. We also use U in food and school, and the expression A which average in understand syllables, like in about, teacher, or banana. A simple way to understand monophthong is this: if the vowel sound feel steady and does not change when you say it, then it is a monophthong. But if the sound feel like it moves or slide to another sound, then is a diphthong, not a monophthong. So in conclusion, monophthong are single, stable vowel sound that play a very important role in English pronunciation, and we use them all the time in everyday speech.
Hello everyone! So now with me Dinda, I'll explain you about diphthongs and then I'll give you some examples. In English, there are several common diphthongs. The first diphthong is I. This sound can be found in words like time, my, and then nice. For the example, the word time T-I-M-A is pronounced time. And the second diphthong is AU. You can hear the sounds in words like now, house, and loud. For the example, in the word house, H-O-U-S-A is pronounced house. And the next diphthong is A. This diphthongs appears in words such as day, name, and play. And for the example in words is day, D-A-Y is pronounced day. And then another diphthong is O. Now, this sound is found in words like go, home, and phone. For example, go. G-O is pronounced go. And for the last diphthong I'll explain is OI. This diphthong can be heard in words like boy, toy, and choice. And for the example in word is boy is pronounced boy. So, to conclude, diphthongs are vowel sounds that combine two different vowel sounds in one syllable. And they are very common in English pronunciation. Thank you, and I hope this explanation helps you to understand diphthongs better.
Okay guys, now I'm Aizatul Aspia. I will explain you about what is the difference between monophthong and diphthong, and also why study about vowel sound is very different. Let me explain you about what is monophthong and diphthong first. Monophthong. Monophthong is a vowel sound that starts at the same from the beginning to the end. For example, it's I, A, and also O, U, I, A, and another sound again. For example is pen. Pen is consists of sound P, E, and N. In the middle we get A. When we say A, we find that A start from A and end of A too. That is monophthong sound. And next is diphthong sound. Diphthong is a vowel sound that starts as one sound and moves to another with one syllable. For example, is I or another sound again. Word example is time. Time is consists of sound that is T, I, and In the middle, we get I. I is consists of sound A and E, and we mix it so we can find I. And I that is before consists of two words and then be one word, so that is diphthong. Another example is fly, and then also go and floor, and many example again. Next is why it's important to us to study about vowel sound. The most very important is different pronunciation make the different meaning. For example is sheep and sheep, and then time, and then between time and team and another word again. So guys, that is our pronunciation. From the second group, it consists of me, Aizatul Aspia, and then Dina, Citra, Dinda Nur Aisyah, and Fadli Buana. May we meet at the next video. Thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.